Good morning. This is Charlie Stocker with Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker. You can find us on Facebook. You can watch us on Channel 25 on Mondays and Fridays. And then we have a website, heygardenguy.com, where you can ask questions regarding any landscape situation or gardening situation you're having difficulty with, and you just want to raise your IQ a little bit, and we'll do it together, believe me. I've got a question here. A lady has heard of ajuga reptans, which is what we're looking at right here, as a ground cover, and she wants to know, what do you think of ajuga reptans as a ground cover, and what are some of the varieties? So ajuga reptans is obviously a ground cover. It will do very well in the sun, 6 to 8 hours of sun, and it can even handle less than that. Now, as you can see, it gets up to about 5 to 6 inches, and it blooms in the springtime. This particular one is called chocolate chip. They're developing new varieties practically every year, but it really doesn't get any disease. It really doesn't get any insects. It advances rather quickly, so you have the opportunity to dig them up every 2 years, separate them out, because you generally plant them at about 12-inch sitters, and within 3 years they will have that area covered up. But they hold back erosion. They also cool the soil temperatures around particular trees. So ajuga reptans is a great ground cover. It is an evergreen. Again, this is chocolate chip. This particular one is called Pink Lightning. Aren't those colors absolutely beautiful? And then the go-to for us is Burgundy Glow. And they all bloom one time, 5 to 6 inches tall, extremely hardy for zone 7, zone 6, and even down as low as zone 3. So if you're considering a ground cover, you don't know which one maybe to use, look into the ajuga reptans, and I think you'll be surprised, pleasantly surprised. This is Charlie Stocker with Hey Garden Guy, raising your garden IQ one question at a time.